Hey YouTube searcher. I don't make a lot of videos, but I figured I'd make one today because I just finished up, with the help of Bardwell, getting this VTX set up. I think it's a rather new VTX. It's the HGLRC Zues 2.5w analog 5.8 gigahertz. And I'm not going to show you how I installed it, and there's plenty of better videos out there for that. Mine just happens to be mounted upside down up on these little grommets so that I could put the capacitor and power lead underneath it. Just made a little cleaner setup. But the reason I'm making a video is because there's no other videos out there on this. So I'm going to show you how to set up the smart audio on it, because the values out there are wrong and I had a hard time doing it. So basically I'm plugged into Betaflight here. No screen share stuff. I'm not that fancy, guys. Not the configuration tab. Ports tab. Mine is wired to UART 3 on the SpeeDB. Maybe you guys are probably the same. Online says tramp. It is not tramp. It is actually, you're going to pick on peripherals smart audio. Okay. And then I don't need to say reboot, it's already done. And then when you get down to video transmitter, you're going to set up, well, mine's always on RACEBAND 8 because I don't know, there's no one around me and I have Wi-Fi. But you're going to set it up kind of like this. The VTX table is not in there. It's not a preset. I wish I knew how to save this as a preset, but I don't. Maybe I'll watch a YouTube video next on how to do that. But the kicker is here, these power levels. You're not going to find that online. This is freshly found last night by Bardwell and myself. For Smart Audio 2.0, it is by dBW, the decibel level. So that's what you enter as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I named mine 25 watt, 200 watt, 800 watt, 1.6 and 2.5. You could do 1W6, 2W5 if you feel that both work. That's just how I did mine. So if you have the Zues 2.5 watt HGLRC VTX and you can't figure out how to get smart audio to work, I hope this helps you. In the comments or in the description, I'm gonna go to my CLI. Get a diff dump. Is it diff or dump? Dump? Diff all. And I'll copy that VTX table. Where is it? Come on, grab the thing. VTX. No, it's OSD. VTX. Where's the VTX table? Right here. I'll copy this out and then all you have to do is paste this into your CLI and hit save. You should be good to go. I hope this helps someone.